XVs is not controlling right, because I got one compressor on right now, the big compressor. As you can see, it's operating right. I superheat like 18, right? So you can't see me, but that's this upper expansion valve, and the lower one, it ain't nothing to it right now. I'm gonna turn this one on. Stage 4. Yep. Stage 4. Superheat ain't doing nothing. Subcooling rising. My superheat 38. You see my saturation and drop way down. And I'm about to take my suction line probe off my suction line, and I'm putting the suction line coming out of THP, and I'm gonna see what's going on. We're gonna see just to verify. I got it off right now. All right, so I'm gonna show you the difference. This the one that's working. All right. That's the one that's working. It's at 66 and dropping. Alright. We're gonna go to this other one. That ain't working. Where we can get it? We're gonna try it. Right. See if I can get it on there. I need to get a better. I found the problem. I knew it. I found it. Took that off. And that's the problem right there. Oh. That's the problem. Figured it out. And I'm working on this unit. 25-ton Voyager. That's what we're working on. Symbio 700. It's a startup. That's way too high. It's supposed to be like, I like to see it like around 45 to 50. When you get like 55, 50 plus, you pushing it, but you see it's at 78 right now and it's rising. And my superheat, because I got that bad expansion valve, but I'm about to shut it back off. But I'm just showing y'all like how you can see like you got a bad expansion valve. My superheat plus my discharge line superheat. I unwired one stage of the compressors. That's the large compressor. I unwired it because if I got both of those compressors running and it only got one TXV, it was not able to maintain that superheat, and the compressors were overheating because of that. So I just got it unwired here, and when we come back and replace the TXV, I get it back going. But I wrote it right there in the notes, so they'll know. Now, do you see the difference with the TXV working with both compressors on? It's controlling the superheat. And the subcooling is lower because it's not backing up in the condenser.